fresh.
Oh my God, mga loves. Kumain ako ng Sour Patch. And then, yung sourness niya, na-shock yung lalamunan ko ba, and it went in the wrong way. Kaya ayun, inuubo ako. Yun na yan mga loves, viaduct where the train goes. Yeah, we used to go there, honey.
Oh no. Yeah, that road goes down to
I don't know. So what we gonna do? I wonder how long did it take them to build this viaduct?
Oh, it's down there you go.
There you go. Yung pupuntahan namin mga palangga, close. Tinignan namin sa online, sabi open daw sila, pero yung pinuntahan namin, close. So we diverted and just walking around this town, this village. Huh? What?
You mean Swansea, yeah?
Yeah. The scones is here. I thought we were gonna go to butcher first.
That's right. We'll go into that.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be open.
Pajama? I don't want pajama. Nandito na kami sa bahay. Saglit lang kami kasi yun na nga, yung pupuntahan sana namin is closed. Tapos nag-divert kami sa village para magtingin-tingin. Like majority of that yung mga shop are closed. So ano lang, yung naka-open is yung mga pub, yung kainan lang. So ayun, nandito na kami sa bahay. Mag-chill-chill, manonood ng TV kasi tomorrow balik na naman sa trabaho. Back to reality. Tapos na yung holiday. Nagpagod din ako.
Change.
You need to try it on, Lassie. Come on, just try it on for me. And if you don't like it, you always say that.
They're not casual.
You
This is the problem. I want casual shoes.
come on,
And they're not casual.
put it. We can go back to Clark. There's a casual one that I'm not sure if.
The two more dressier than you. This is I was quite casual. Like that to the tie my toes and that.
It's new.
Hey?
It's new. That's why
No,
it's
they're
tight.
nipping because
Hello. Good morning. Back to work after holiday. Bye-bye.
Right. Take care.
Bye, honey.
Watch out
See you
for icy
later.
road.
I
Okay.
will do. Bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Buti na lang tinorn-on ni Mister yung sasakyan ko. Kasi frosty kasi mga loves. Anong temperature? 3 degrees. And it is 6:54 in the morning. Magdadrive lang ako and then I will see you pag nandoon na tayo sa hospital. Nandito na tayo sa hospital car park. We managed to get the spot straight away because it's weekend. So, maraming spaces. Yan. So, 7:20 pa lang. Mamaya na ako papasok kasi of course, it's very early and it's weekend. Ang kati-kati ng tiyan ko. Tinatry ko talagang hindi kamutin mga palangga, pero nagsisilabasa na talaga yung mga stretch mark ko. Which is fine. So anyway, nagbaon ako ngayon, which is yung baon natin ng Weetabix. And then, dahil meron pa tayong turkey, meron akong turkey dinner for my lunch. So, yun yung lunch natin para hindi na tayo pumunta sa kantin. Tinatamad na kasi ako pumunta talaga sa kantin. Kasi, of course, mabigat na yung tiyan ko. Malamig. Sometimes, pag lunchtime mo umuulan, kaya minsan talaga parang wala akong ganang pumunta sa kantin. But there are times na I have no choice kasi wala akong baon. So, alangan ba naman nagutumin ko yung sarili ko. Anyway, meron palang nag-comment sa inyo na sabi niya na dapat hinahatid ka na ng asawa mo, ganito, ganyan, kasi malaki na yung tiyan mo. I appreciate your comment and I appreciate your concern, pero pinapakiramdaman ko din yung sarili ko. Like, yes, malaki na yung tiyan ko, pero I can drive naman, and driving is not a hard work naman because you just you move very minimal. I don't get the comment kung bakit sinabi niya na dapat ihatid na ako ng husband ko. I just don't see why, because I am able-bodied to drive myself. So I will continue driving as long as I can. Kakauwi ko lang ng bahay. So it's 8 o'clock na dito ng gabi. So ngayon lang ako nauwi kasi dumaan ako sa aking kaibigan / katrabaho. So anyway, kumain ako doon. Nagnilaga siya ng baboy. Salamat talaga, ate. Every time na pumunta ako sa bahay nila, kumakain na lang talaga ako. Kaya nahihiya ako minsan na pumunta. And si Jan din, kakauwi lang din. Anyway, may siya dito. Yung mga bigay niya. Salamat dito. Ito rin. I need to have a look, Han. And thank you. Ano to? Oh, crackers. Salamat. Ano to? Hand cream? Yeah, hand cream. Tapos, ano to? Oh, bath bombs. And then, may pa-card pa. Card pa to. Have a jolly Christmas. Thank you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thank you, ate. And then, binigay din niya itong mga breast pump pa to. Saan ba to? Ano ba to? Anong tawa? Ano to? Wait lang. Okay. Mga lalagyan na ng gatas. Milk storage bag. And then, yung breast pump niya. Yan. Thank you. And then, as I said, nagbigay din siya ng bag dito. At yung mga daddy. Yan. Kasi wala pa akong baby bottles. Undecided pa ako kung ano yung brand na bibilihin ko. So, sabi niya, hirap ko na lang sa iyo. So, natingin-tingin pa ako ba? And mga bags. All that. Thank you talaga, Ate Cindy. And busog din. Salamat. So, anyway, wala lang ganap mga loves. I'm just gonna get ready for bed, go to shower, and then magpapahinga lang saglit.
Right.
At least wala akong trabaho tomorrow. Hello, good morning. It's another day. So we're going to town today. Kasi pupunta kami sa Clark shop kasi of course si John hindi niya gusto yung gift. So sabi ko sa kanya, sumama ka sa akin pag ni-return natin to sa shop kasi para makita mo yung ibang design doon at kung wala ka talagang magustuhan, edi i-refund. So ayun, sasama siya sa akin sa town. Sabi ko magla-lunch tayo sa town kasi gutom ako. Dala tayo ng snacks. Sour Patch, melon. Yan, ito. I got the receipt. We'll park in the square, honeybee. Degree lang yung temperature. Malamig. Baka mag-i-snow na. Finally. Do you think we will have a snow?
No.
Nandito na tayo sa town. Mababayad lang tayo ng car park. Whew. Ang ginaw. Right. So, up to 3 hours. It seems very quiet mga palangga. Sabi ni Jen, oh, dahil maaga pa kasi Sunday ngayon, halos sa mga shop, they're open at 10 o'clock. So hopefully yung Clark open na ngayon. So we're going to Clark first. There, next to Bob and Birds. Are they open? Are they open now? Yeah, they're open. Come on. Yeah, they're open. Is it? Or the first one? Are they open? Yung Clark, mga palangga, hindi pa open. Yung butcher din dito, hindi pa open. Oh well, we'll have a look. I'm pretty sure Clark will be open because someone is in there.
Well, you would have thought so, wouldn't
Yeah.
you?
Steaks on toast.
Nasa bahay na pala kami. So, saglit lang kami sa town kasi alam niyo naman tong si John. Pag pumunta ng town, kung ano lang talaga yung pupuntahan, yun lang. So, napupunta kami sa Clark. Wala talaga siya nagustuhan. Kaya ayun, na-return na lang namin yung item. Sobrang bilis lang. Walang walang tanong-tanong kung bakit kailangan i-return yung item, etc. Wala talaga. Hinanap ka yung resibo. Ayun na. Sabi niya na, okay, it will be in your bank in a few days daw. So, yun. So, hintayin natin. Then after naming mag-ikot-ikot doon sa town kasi tinignan namin kung yung butcher is open ba. Hindi talaga open kasi Sunday ngayon. Kasi gusto ko kasi bumili ng pork belly para sa New Year. So, hindi open. Nag-lunch muna kami before kami umuwi. Tingnan nyo ito mga loves. Nagraran talaga yung kulay. Itim. Ang itim-itim ng tubig.